gotta appreciate the lady. And now that is a natural fact. 'Cause when you be yourself with a lady, yeah, you gonna get appreciated, right? You by your first name.
Oh, sure, why not?
Thanks, Boo.
No hunting. Well, now, we ain't gonna do none of that, are we, Copper? We're just gonna get us a no good fox. All right, boy, get tracking. Smell 'em out.